Okay, here have a look at types of data, so classifying types of data. Now, whenever we count how many cars have drove past, we record what model car that was, or we go and measure the length of people's shoes, for example. That all of those things that we collect all fit in this big bucket up the top, okay, called data. They all fit in this big bucket here. We then need to go and classify that further though, okay? The two categories that come after that are categorical data or numerical data, okay? Now, categorical data is anything we can put into a category, such as favourite footy team, the type of car, so Holden, Commodore, Toyota, whatever it is, favourite colour, favourite brand of clothing, whatever it may be. That's a category, so that's all categorical data. On the other side, we've got numerical data, okay? So everything that's not a category will fit into this one here. Now, within numerical data, all right, we've got two further classifications. So the first one here is discrete data, and the other one is continuous. Now, if I'm collecting data that is, first of all, numerical and discrete, this one here can take on certain values only. Okay, so such as, let's go number of kids in a family. You either got one kid or two kids or three kids. You can't have 3.25 kids. Okay, so it must take on certain values. Another one would be dress sizes. All right, so women's dress sizes generally come in a 6 or an 8 or a 10 or a 12, etc., etc. You can't have a size 6.14. Okay, it comes in certain values only. Obviously, continuous data, this one here can take on any values. Okay, so this is basically anything I can measure, right from how long it takes to run 100 meters, if I'm measuring the length of something or the height of something or the weight of something. So some obvious examples are length of foot. Okay, it can refer to time to run 100 meters, how heavy something is. These are all things that we can measure, so therefore they're continuous and they can take on any value. Now, what I mean by that is if we look at, for example, this one here, the time to run 100 meters, it doesn't take 10 or 11 or 12 or 13 seconds. It can take 12.16 seconds. So that's any value, literally any value can be attached to how long it takes someone to run 100 meters, okay? So there's the tree. All data sits up top. You've got categorical, which is anything you can categorize. Then you've got numerical data, which splits off into discrete and continuous. Discrete, certain values only. Continuous, can take on any value.